Well, good morning, y'all. Finally Friday. I mentioned in a post online that it seemed like an awful long week. And one of y'all joked that it must be just me. So I figured that was my black cloud following me around. Because it's felt like that lately. Life getting in the way and whatnot. But I had to get on here and make something real quick just to say good morning and thanks to all of you who follow my measly, puny little self-therapeutic channel. Sometimes I got some fun stuff, sometimes not so much. And I think I mentioned a time or two in the past, at least in one video, that I started it basically so I could send longer videos to, or at least the link to longer videos to my son. He's out of state. And we were kind of building a Jeep together over the phone. He was funding the project and I was throwing it together. So I'd send him pictures and short videos of, hey, we need this and this is why and this is where this is going. And the videos were getting just too long to send through Messenger or text. They wouldn't load. I was like, well, this is stupid. I can make something 2 or 3 or 5 minutes long, chitty chat and explaining to him what it is we're going to do. And then I can just upload it. I didn't even know about privacy settings on YouTube or any of that. I didn't know what the heck I was doing. But I knew I could upload it, and I'd copy the link, and then I'd just send them the link. And that worked flawlessly. And then early on, somebody saw, I don't know, 2 or 3 or 4 people saw one of the things I did about his little Jeep that we were building. I think it was the exhaust video. And liked it or commented or something, and I realized, oh yeah, there's no way to turn this to private. Well, there was. I still, again, didn't know what I was doing. But anyway, it all just kind of took off from there. And when I realized that people were randomly, very randomly, seeing something and kind of liking it, I was like, oh, I could have some fun with this. And it was therapy. It was like an outlet kind of thing. So it's fun being creative. And it just kind of grew from there. I never ever expected really any more than maybe the closest of friends and family to follow it, because I wasn't creating with the intent of, you know, being a channel, so to speak, or whatever. And I'm still tiny. I'm nothing. And if I'm never more than nothing, that's fine too. But I just noticed this morning when I woke up that my phone alerts told me, hey, guess what? You made it to 100 subscribers. 100 subs. I never ever thought that would happen. And it was slow, like 2.5 years. But I just got to say thank you guys for following along and enjoying some of it, at least some of it. I've got a whole bunch of little clips and stuff I got to sort through. Life has been real heavy on my shoulders lately in terms of time and running around and kind of everything haphazardly. So I haven't had anything solid to make really good, what I feel is good content. But I do have some stuff that I'm going to throw together to recap for y'all soon, sometime this week. Definitely got more fun stuff to come. There's that one pickup in the garage I got to get back to. And just some more fun stuff. But the most important thing right now is I just wanted to say thank you guys. It's that was pretty cool to pour a cup of coffee and check my phone and see 100 subs. So if you like the little bit of tinkering you see me do, and let me know if you got any ideas. Comment on the channel, comment on the videos, like and share, all that good stuff. But keep following. I've got some more stuff to come. And these old bones get kind of slow this time of year. In fact, I go to the orthopedic surgeon this Friday afternoon, today, to kind of get the ball rolling again. I've got a whole bunch of stuff I got to get fixed because it's been real difficult moving around these days. So once I get a grip on that, the weather warms up, the channel will liven up again for sure, if not sooner. But again, thank you all so much. Blown away, 100 subs. That's pretty awesome. Anyway, thank you guys. You rock.